Hey y'all, welcome back to Rollin' Pin Recipes. I froze this dough so we'll see how it goes. We're gonna make a cute little Valentine's Day pizza. And the girls got a little package in the mail. We're just gonna roll this out nice and thin. Make sure you flour it a ton. We're gonna go for a rectangular here. This is not Authentico by any means. Alright y'all, I've got this rolled out. We're gonna give her people cut it first, but I think I'm gonna sauce it first. This is just tomato sauce, y'all. It tastes delicious. This is going to be something I've never made before. We're just giving her a little try. You just want a tiny bit of sauce. We usually don't put much sauce anyway, unless I really need to use up the tomato sauce. Good to go. Salt. Then some cheese. We're just doing a classic pepperoni pizza here, y'all. Get a little cheese on there. We're trying a lot of new things here with the frozen dough and everything. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna slice them. Try to get them straight. We're gonna do 5, I guess. Alright, y'all, now we just... oh boy. I think we're gonna put this naked end on the bottom. I ain't never done this, y'all, so it's an experiment. We're just gonna roll her up. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, that's adorable. Then, maybe I should spray this. We're not gonna spray it, we're just gonna rock it. Hopefully it goes okay though. We'll crease this together a little better. I've got nothing really to lose here with these besides the toppings, which we already have. I have a good feeling about these because the tops of the pepperonis are gonna get crispy, which is awesome. Put the pepperonis on there and then just roll her up. I'm gonna try to fold that cheese under so it doesn't caramelize too bad. These are adorable. We're gonna do 5 on this one. We're gonna try to just seal that bottom so the cheese doesn't get too funky. Try putting them a little further down. No, we need them a little higher, y'all. This one's exploding. I accidentally put 2 on there. This one just wants to slip and slide. Keep my pepperonis in the freezer so they're just slipping everywhere. This is a cute appetizer. Super Bowl for Valentine's Day. Cute little snack after school. Anything. We're gonna top it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is the bottle stuff. My bottle just was not good. It wouldn't shut. Adorable. Alright, we're gonna go put it in the pizza oven, check it out. Alright, y'all, these have come out. I let them cool in here a minute. The bottoms look good. Hopefully they're good. They're better if they stand up straight like this one, but that is adorable. So cute. Bon appetit. We're going to make some pizza. Couple festive Valentine's Day treats. Showing the ones you love that you love them. Never made a heart-shaped pizza before, so we'll see how this goes. It's actually already there. Use gravity's assistance to help pull that point. What's one meal that y'all love and your family can't go without? One, it's gotta be pizza, y'all. How's that look? Pretty good. Could be better. More of a point. We might just have to like pinch him together down here. Pinch him together down here, no big deal. Alright, y'all, let's do it. Shimmy test is passed. Alright, y'all, we're just gonna start off with some tomato sauce. What toppings do you love on your pizza? What do you love about pizza? Spreading the love, y'all. This is not my preferred utensil for the spreading of the sauce, but we will make it happen. I hope this works out. Little salt. Before we do cheese, I only had a couple olives already out, so we're gonna put a couple on there because that is what my love loves. Cheese, yes please. We don't need a ton of this. Oh, I keep my pepperoni and cheese in the freezer so that it lasts. This actually all came out of the freezer. Want to make sure there's enough cheese, not too much. All right, now the beloved pepperoni. We're a pepperoni pizza household, y'all. Superior. Now usually I give it a stretch with the pepperonis. I don't know how this is gonna go. Not horrible. Perfect. Turned out pretty good actually. Alright y'all. There we have it. Shimmy test passed. We're gonna put it in the oven. Alright y'all, here's our pizza stone. I got the pie right here. Shimmy test is good. I did a tiny bit of adjustments. Now we just want to shimmy it back on in there. As far back as possible. There she is. Give her just a couple minutes. We'll rotate it every minute or so. Pull her out. Y'all, this came out so good. Let's chop it up. Ooh! Broken heart. Now we want it as close to original shape as possible. My husband's favorite part is the crust, so I think he's gonna like these pieces. Have you guys ever ordered a heart pizza? I haven't. Just too expensive. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. Bon appetit. I hope you guys enjoy. We will. Look at that. Cheese pull. All right, y'all. That turned out so good. We're going to do it again. Flour it down. It's already turning into a heart shape. Go in with some tomato sauce. Hope you guys are having a great time with those you love. Giving your pets the love, your neighbors, your family, your friends, whoever you like hanging out with. My family loves pizza, and I love them, so we're giving them pizza. We've been out and about taking care of stuff, so we are very hungry. So this is not difficult at all, y'all. You don't need to have much skill to do this. It's very easy. The dough is so easy and forgiving. This process is easy and forgiving. Flour it. Make sure you do the shake test, and you're golden. So easy, delicious, can be healthy, family friendly, budget friendly. Pizzas nowadays, y'all, through the roof. I don't even want to know how much a heart-shaped pizza costs, y'all. Too much. So the fact that we can make this right here at home, forget about it. Try to give it a little shimmy. Perfect. Let's throw her in. Throw her in the oven. So good, y'all. Bon appetit, y'all. Spread the love. Spend time with those you love, doing the things you love, and eating the things you love. We appreciate y'all a ton. Happy Valentine's Day. We appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bon appetit. Peace out.